up today, okay? So the formulas are going to be,
Was service hours due yesterday?
I have no idea.
Yeah, they were due last night.
Why don't they make it
Oh, I already did all my service hours.
It's a shame I didn't.
Just turn them in.
If you're working at the house,
Okay, so the formula is what it was yesterday. That's messy. Try that again.
They're just gonna bring it over to the.
My turn.
so they're basically like
Hey.
not
My turn.
I wouldn't
LA, okay, is still going to be 1/2 times P times L, just like it was yesterday. But there's a more specific formula I'm going to give you, and that's the one we're going to use, okay? But we're going to come up with it together. What does P stand for? Perimeter of what?
The base.
Perimeter of the base. Okay, now, my base is what shape?
No, a circle.
A circle, right? So really we're saying the perimeter of a circle. What's another way to say the perimeter of a circle? We're not looking out there today. I really want to keep those open. Perimeter of a circle. What's another word for that? Starts with a C.
Circumference.
It's circumference, right? The perimeter of a circle is circumference. And another way to say circumference is pi d or 2 pi r. Shh, you're still talking. Okay, so pi d or 2 pi r. Now here's the thing. If we plug one of those formulas in here, it actually shortens our formula. I'm going to use this one for today. Because what happens is you go 1/2 times 2 times pi times r times L. What's 1/2 times 2?
1.
It's 1. So these go away. So the formula that you're going to use for the lateral area of a cone is pi r L. Every time. Pi r L.
I can't find my notes. Do you have them on the iPad?
Yes, I think so. Okay, so pi, what does R stand for? Radius. What does L stand for? It's not length.
The slant.
It's the slant height, right? It's this one. Okay, so this is your cursive L every time. This is your R every time. So those are the ones you're going to use to find lateral area. Pi times the radius times the slant height. Pi RL. Okay, so use this formula. You could use this formula. It's just more work. It's more steps. It's more information. Okay. The surface area formula is the same as yesterday too. It's the lateral area plus B. What does B stand for?
Base.
What about the base?
Base times height.
It's not base times height, but it's that idea. It's the area of the base. Okay, how do you find the area of a circle?
Isn't it like
It's not pi d, it's the other one. Pi
R squared?
r squared, right, is your area of your base. Okay, so that means my surface area formula is LA plus pi r squared. And that's the one we're going to use today. So again, you could use the ones on the left and you will get there, but it's going to require you to do more thought about like what does everything stand for. Yeah.
Will these formulas be on the test or quiz?
Yeah, I will give you the formulas. Okay, so this example 1, it says find the lateral area and surface area of the cone. So we're going to start by just saying I know LA is pi r L. Anyone know what
Yeah, I was just chasing a truck of tires.
R is right now?
5.
R is 5. This is a radius, right? So that's your R. So you're going to go 5 times pi times. Now we need L.
Would
And
you plug pi into your calculator?
no, we're not going to plug pi in.
And then it's is it 10?
No, it's got to be bigger, right? This is the longest side of the triangle.
15.
It's not 15. This is a Pythagorean triple. So you can say 5 squared plus 12 squared equals your slant height squared. This 5 squared plus 12 squared comes out to 169 equals L squared. What do you do with that? Square root it. So your slant height is 13, the square root of 169. That's what you're going to plug in right here. Okay. So to simplify that, you have pi times 5 times 13. I don't ever want you to plug pi into your calculator unless it tells you to round to the nearest fill in the blank. If it says leave it in terms of pi, you don't touch pi. Okay. So all you're really plugging in right here is 5 times 13, which is 65, and then you'll attach your pi. So 65 pi, and it's an area, so meters squared. So that's your lateral area. We also want surface area. So you come back up here, your surface area formula is LA plus pi r squared, the area of the base.
Plus 25.
So it's going to be 65 pi plus pi times what?
5 squared.
5 squared, the radius squared. So that's 65 pi. What does this equal in terms of pi?
25.
25 pi. Okay, so you go 65 pi plus 25 pi, and you get a surface area of 90, don't forget about the pi, meters squared. Where did I lose you?
I don't know, this entire thing.
So this is your formula, right? LA plus the area of the base plus pi r squared. So we take what we found for our LA was this, 65 pi, so that goes here, right? That replaces the lateral area. And then you have to add pi r squared. Your r right now is 5. That's this 5 over here. So you're doing pi times 5 squared. 5 squared is 25. So it's 65 plus 25 is 90. And then you attach your pi. So 65 pi plus 25 pi is 90 pi. It's like saying 65 apples plus 25 apples is 90 apples, right? Don't ditch the apples so don't ditch the pi. Okay, we're gonna do this one the same way. So ignore this. We're just gonna find the lateral area and surface area of this cone.
Okay.
Okay, so lateral area
Okie dokie.
is pi RL.
Can we, sorry.
Huh.
Can we eventually like do the thing where like we do it on a whiteboard, like so you could like
Sure.
help us do it instead?
Mhm.
What is wrong with
What's
you?
wrong with you?
Guys, I want to learn
No.
math. I
Oh, you
want
did
to
it when
actually.
you put your white
You-
I struggle learning like this,
You
guys. I
are-
feel like I'm just copying it down. I'm not actually like.
You-
I'm not
Not-
copying
Look, the
anything.
whiteboards are fun.
That's because you gotta put in the hours.
Guys, you need to
He
leave
said
me
this
alone. I just want
whiteboard.
to learn. I just want to learn.
I like
I
it
need
when
to
you
learn
use
the
our
math.
whiteboards.
You-
Guys,
Give us
listen,
one problem
it's
to
almost
all
the
do
end of the
one
year,
part.
okay? We need to finish strong. Respectfully,
Should
guys,
do that.
wanna
I don't have
finish the year
an
with good
individual
grades.
set,
I
but
wanna
that would
finish
be.
the year with good grades.
Miss
I want
Paul
to
has
finish.
it.
Hey, if you wanted to finish
Did
the
she?
year with good grades,
Or
you
Miss
do your
Paul, yeah,
ceramics.
Miss
but-
I wonder if they're.
Listen, I already have a
Over
good
there.
What's your grade?
I don't know.
It's like a B minus.
You have
Okay.
ceramics if you care now.
You know what? I'm gonna.
Pi RL. Stop it. No, put it away.
Can I please just check?
No,
I just want to
later. You can prove your point later. Put it away.
We're gonna forget.
We're gonna learn.
Yeah, I'm not gonna care.
Rascal.
Okay, so this is pi r
Dang, you made me broke my pencil.
L. What does R stand for?
Radius.
Radius. What do you have?
3.
What do you have in this cone?
3.
This is a diameter.
3.
So your radius is half of that.
3.
So your radius is 3. So you're saying pi times R, which is 3. What's L?
12.
L is 12. This is your slant height. Okay, this is your L. So pi times 3 times 12. What does that simplify to?
I have no idea.
36.
Oh,
But then don't forget the pi, right? There's still a pi there. 36 times pi centimeters squared. Okay, so that's your lateral area. If you want your surface area, you're going to do the lateral area plus pi r squared. And again, I will give you that formula. You just need to know to use it. Okay? What's LA? 36 pi. So you just drop that in. 36 pi plus, now this is pi times the radius squared. What is that?
3.
3 squared, right? Pi times 3 squared, or pi times 9. So really this is 36 pi. This is 9 pi. You're just going to add those together. So 36 plus 9 is 45. Attach your pi, centimeters squared. That's your surface area. Do you know why it's not plus 2b this time?
Because there's no it's not 2 bases.
It's not 2 bases. It's 1 base. You have 1 circle base, right? This is your b. Okay. Okay. Here's the one I want you to try on your own. So here's your formulas, because you'll have these sitting in front of you. LA equals pi RL. Surface area equals LA plus pi r squared. Okay?
What is
So many steps for me to memorize.
You don't have to memorize.
I'm going to give you this. It's just you dropping in numbers for it. Right?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me what you did.
I have
Pi times, what'd you put in for r?
Well,
What's
if
R?
you go ask the office, if you just tell them like they already got an email, they won't even check. They'll just let you go and they'll check it later.
And then what if they didn't give me?
Well, they did if they didn't.
That's not r. What's r?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, what's R?
R is 6. This is your radius, okay? So pi times 6. What's L? What is L? This is your L, right? That's your slant height. Okay, so if you simplify that, what does it simplify to? Not 60. 60 pi. 60 pi inches squared. If you leave the pi off, it is wrong. Here's the deal, guys. What does pi equal?
I don't know.
3.14. So if you tell me 60, that's the number 60. But if you tell me 60 pi, that's like 180, right? It's a big deal if you leave pi off. Don't leave pi off. Okay, so that's your lateral area. What did you do for surface area?
Oh, you put in 60
60
Plus.
pi.
plus 36 pi. Or
Yeah, 36 pi. Pi times 6 squared, right? The radius squared. So it's 60 pi plus 36 pi. So what's your surface area?
96 pi inches squared.
96 pi square inches.
That was not that bad.
Right, Max? Okay, so there are 5 on the board. If you would like to do one on the board, come up and try it. If